Hello friends, welcome to the continuation of the previous lecture we just left over here. And so what we are doing, we have to find B intersection C. So where is B intersection C? Is this question B intersection C, and B and C, what B and C has common? B and C has actually no element common because set B is all set of prime, even numbers, and it is odd numbers, so they have actually no common elements. Coming to part 5, they are asking common in B and D. So B and D, what B and D has common? B and D has only one element common, which is 2. B and D has only 2 common because 2 is the only even prime number. Now we will have to find the C and D. So question number 6, C intersection D. C and D has a lot numbers common except okay, so I will erase this C and D. So what is C and D? C and D has all the very wide set common are. This is not common actually. So we will write 3, 5, 7, 11, 11 is also an odd number. So we can say that C intersection D is actually the set of all prime numbers except 2. Okay, so that's how we completed our question number 7. Coming to question number 8, which of the following pair is a set of disjoint set? So for your kind information, I will just introduce disjoint set. Disjoint sets have intersection 0, means 5. If two sets are not joined to anywhere, suppose this is the Venn diagram of two sets, this and this set element, set A and set B, have no boundaries connecting to each other. So here some boundaries are common, so this is not disjoint set, but if the intersection is 0 or 5, then it is called disjoint set. Okay, you got the point. If two sets are having no common elements, then the two sets are said to be disjoint set. Okay, so we'll have to look for this question. So first they give us 1, 2, 3, 4, and then they give us x, that x is a natural number, 4, 5, 6. So as we can see that 4 is common between these two sets, so this is not a disjoint set. This is set A and this is set B, and A intersection B is actually 4, so not a disjoint set. If no element will be common in these two, then we can say that it is a disjoint set. Okay, coming to part question number 2. The first set is given A, E, I, O, U, and the second set is given here is C, D, E, F. So you can see that E is common in both of these, so it is again a not disjoint set. A intersection B is equals to E, again not a disjoint set. For two sets to be a disjoint set, the sets must have no elements common. Okay, coming to our question number part 3 of this question. The first is saying x, such that x is an even integer number. So even integer number, what are even integer number? 2, 4, 6, 8, dot, 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 dot. And b x, such that x is an odd integer, odd integer. So odd integer is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, dot, 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 dot. So as we can see that a and b, even and odd, have no elements common. So a intersection B is actually just an empty bracket, so it is an disjoint set. What the concept of disjoint set? If two sets have no common element, means their intersection is phi of null set, then we can say that these two sets are disjoint set. In the Venn diagram, they will never intersect each other. The two circles of the individual sets are separated. Coming to question number 9. Question number 9, they gave us 4 sets and we will have to find the difference of them. Okay. So for finding the difference, what we will do, we will just eliminate B elements from A. Okay. So A minus B, we will have to cancel out all the B elements that are present in set A. So is 4 present in A? No. It 8 present? No. It's 12%? Okay. So we will eliminate 12. Is 20%? No. So A minus B is the all the sets of A after removing set B from it. Okay. So where is a marker? Yes, here. 3, 6, 9, 15, 18 and 21. This is the first part. Now we will going to solve second part. They are saying A minus C. Now we will have to remove all the elements of C from A. Okay, 2 not there, 4 not there, 6 yes there, 8 not there, 10 not there, 12 yes there, and none other. Okay, so we will write now all the elements of A after removing all the elements of C that are present there. Okay, so 3, 9, 15, 18 and 21. A minus D. A difference D actually. Okay, now we will have to eliminate all the D elements that are present in set. Okay, 15 is present here and no other element is present that is common between them. Okay, so we will just write 3, 6, 9, 12 and 18 and 21. Okay, part fourth is B minus A. Okay, I will do B minus A here. So B minus A, B and A have what common? B and A have 12 common. So now we will write all the elements of B after removing all the elements of A from it. Okay, so we are writing 4, 8, 16 and 20. If B is written earlier, then rest element of B has to be written. If A has written earlier, then rest element of A set has to be written here. Okay, coming to C minus A now. C and A have a common of 12 and 6 common. So we will write all the elements of C that are left in the set C. Okay, C set has 2, 4, 8, 10, 14 and 16. Okay, now we will have to do D minus A. So what D and A have common? Let's see. D and A have 15 common. So we will eliminate 15 from D and write the rest element 10, 5 and 20. Okay, so we have done 6 part. Now we will have to B difference C. So for B difference C, we will have to find the common between B and C. So B and C have 12 common, 8 common, 4 common and 16 also common. After removing all the sets, what B has left? Okay, so B has left only 20. 20 will be the answer. Now coming to question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually it is 7 and it is 8. So what is the 8 part? Is B difference D. So we will now find the common element between B and D. So B and D have 20 common, no common. So since earlier they have written B, so we will write the rest element of B. 4, 8, 12 and 16. Coming to our 9th part, they are saying C minus B. So we already done B minus C. So we will do the C minus B below it. Okay. So 9th part, C minus B. So what C and B has common? C and B have 3 elements common actually. These 4 elements common. 16, 12, 8 and 4. So since C is written earlier, so we will write all the elements of C that left in set C after removing set B from it. Okay, So 2, 6, 10 and 14 are the C minus B. Coming to 10th part is saying D minus B, D difference B. Okay, so now we will write all the elements of D after removing B from it. Okay, so B has just only one element, so we will write 5, 10, 15 in here, 5, 10 and 15 here. Now coming to our 11th part is saying C minus D. So now we will have to find the C difference D. So what C and D has common? C and D has this 10 common. So since C is written earlier, so we will write all the elements of C after removing D from it. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14, 16. And as a 12th part they are saying D minus C. So we will just write all the elements of D after removing C from this. Okay, so 5, 15 and 20 are the only elements that are left in set D after removing set C from it. Coming to question number 10 here. They given us two sets X and Y and they are saying X difference Y. Okay, so for X difference Y we will remove some common elements if they have. Okay, so we can see here as that they have D common, they have B common. Okay, so now we will write the element of X that left here, A and C. Okay, now we will have to write Y difference X. So Y difference is, we will write all the elements of Y that left after removing X, F comma G. Now they are saying X intersection Y. So X intersection Y means what are the common elements between them? So common elements between them is just B and D. B and D are the common. So we done it. So to represent this in a Venn diagram, what we will have to do? We will do X set, Y set, naming it X, naming this set Y, and common element will be put inside B and D, and the rest element after B and D is B and D is A comma C, and rest element in is F comma G. So now I will just illustrate you something, try and illustrating something that the portion I am sharing right now. This is the region and another region is here, and this is another region, and this is another region. So there are just three regions, and these three regions are representing what? This is representing Y difference X. This region is representing X difference Y, and this internal is representing X intersection Y. So X minus Y, Y minus X plus X minus Y plus X intersection Y is nothing but X union Y. Okay. Coming to question number 11th now. Question number 11th is saying R is a set of real number. R is a set of real number. And Q is a set of rational number. Q is a set of rational number. Then they are saying R minus Q is, R difference Q is. Okay, so after removing all the rational number from the real number, we only left the irrational number inside us. Irrational numbers in here. Irrational and imaginary number, and so other numbers may be there. Coming to question number 12 now. Each of the following we will have to write the true and false here. So true or false and justify your answers. Okay, they are saying these two sets are disjoint. Okay, for two sets to be disjoint there must not be any common element, but we find here 3 to be common. So we write A intersection B is not a phi set. So it is a false. It is not disjoint set, so it is false. Coming to question number this, they are saying these are disjoint sets. Disjoint set A common. So we again find an element common. A intersection B is not 0. So it is again disjoint, not a disjoint set. So it is again false. Then they are saying here 2, 6, 10, 14, 3, 7, 11, 15. So since A intersection B is equals to 5, so these are disjoint sets and this is true. Coming to question number this 2, 6, 10, 3, 7, 15 are disjoint sets. Okay, again A intersection B is equals to 5 and these two have no common elements, so this is again a disjoint set, so we declare it as true. So that's all for this exercise number, I don't know. Okay, and thanks for watching. See you again in the next lecture. See you again in next session. Bye for today.